Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing Hell Scythe from Beyblade X. Oh yeah, I forgot. And here it is. Here it is. This is Hell Scythe. This is the launcher. Here's the grip.